It's estimated that more than 90% of all Americans are infected with some type of harmful organism. Harmful organisms are in the air, in the soil, in food, on your skin, in your hair, and even in your gut. So what exactly is a harmful organism? It's any creature that lives off a host mechanism, which means that's your body. And does that body harm? This could be amoebas, bacteria, fungus, mold, viruses, and even worms. These organisms steal your nutrients and secrete toxic compounds back into your body. As a matter of fact, the World Health Organization estimates that 3.5 billion people worldwide are infected with some type of intestinal parasite, and 450 million are sick as a result. Harmful organisms can cause many symptoms such as abdominal pain, allergies, skin conditions, hair loss, fatigue, brain fog, sleeping problems, weight gain, and many other health disturbances. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to rid your body of these organisms naturally and effectively, as well as minimizing the effect they have on your health. And we have the solution with the Harmful Organism Cleanse Program. The Harmful Organism Cleanse Program provides everything you need to eliminate these harmful creatures naturally. It combines powerful cleansing herbs with organic oregano oil to detox a variety of undesirable organisms, including Candida. It also includes probiotic support to strengthen your gut so those bad gut organisms won't come back. Along with colon and liver cleansing, it's one of the most important measures you can take to support your health. And every program includes complete instructions so you know exactly what to do. And you'll get a VIP support session with our customer satisfaction team. We'll help you get started and be here for you with any questions you have along the way. And with our year to love it guarantee, if you're not completely satisfied, you have a year to return any unused portion for a full refund. Order your Harmful Organism Cleanse program today and start your journey to a happier and healthier life.